So I put some of the bigger wings, the thicker wings by the fire, and then I set the bigger ones on top because heat rises. It's always hotter on top, and then some of the smaller wingettes portions on this side. Drumsticks over here and over the top, smaller pieces on the outside away from the fire, and then I'm going to close the lid. I got kingsford charcoal and some hickory wood, and then my all-purpose seasoning. I'm going to change the name, and I'll give it a good. I seasoned the bottom side earlier. Got 13 different herbs and spices in there. And there it is. We'll let those go for 30-40 minutes, and then I'll come back and flip them around. See you in a minute. So it's been about 20 minutes. I already flipped them over, added some more coals. Trying to get it back up to temp a little bit. It's kind of died down. I had it open here for a minute. Put some new coals on there. Thinking about adding some more wood, but flip them over. Been about 30 minutes. The top ones I haven't flipped them. I'm gonna leave them like that. So they got a nice dark color. I had some hickory wood, so it's giving some color on there. Another 30 minutes, offset heat like that, and they will be good to go. So, pretty much done here. Family's rushing me like they always do. So I'm gonna show you what I did. I moved the chicken over and put it on fast forward. If it burns, it's their fault. That's all I gotta say. But it's doing pretty good. Check it out. So I like to weigh them. If they're considerably lighter, I just go ahead and throw them in the bowl. Good to go. In here, pretty light. So these right here, they were on the farther end, so I'm gonna go ahead and throw them on the fire. Outside, this little guy, he's done. Going in the bowl. So yeah, they look pretty good, don't they? Nice color. No flames coming up. They'll all be ready here in a few minutes, and I'll come back and check it out. Let you know what they look like inside. Just a few minutes later. They're pretty much done, but I just wanted to say I don't like my chicken to be raw. Nobody likes raw chicken. Make sure it's cooked all the way through. Use a thermometer if you have to. Cook them to about 180, 185. Chicken breasts are 165, but legs, thighs, I like to go chicken wings about 180, so that they're still moist but not dripping blood. That's the worst thing, man, in a barbecue. So make sure they're done. And thanks for watching. See y'all at the dinner table. By the way, it's a great game tonight. Kind of rooting for Clemson. I don't really have a preference, but Clemson, they're the underdogs, and they got cool uniforms, cool traditions, so kind of rooting for them. Anyway, see y'all later. Bye. Here it is. All done. Taking my seasoning in, my little pork seasoning that I'm using for chicken all the time, so like I said, I'm gonna change it up and call it all-purpose. Don't ever put water on your grill. Just close it up, let it burn out, or leave it open, let it burn out. That's it. Bye, y'all. Just wanted to take a second to say thanks again for watching this video, and thanks for going and stopping by 123salsa.com, liking and subscribing to our videos. Hopefully you try this recipe at home. Leave me some feedback down below in the comments. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching again. And don't forget to like, subscribe, follow us on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, or even on Twitter. So appreciate y'all. Thank you. Bye-bye.